Okay, welcome to another idea set. And this and another set are going to be sort of a hiatus in between a really big set that I have coming in here and that I'm going to be building. Quite possibly the biggest set that I've ever made on this, besides the world map. So if you know what I'm talking about, go ahead and leave your comment below. Leave your guess. With that, let's get into the speed build for the exosuit. Lego Ideas number 7, one of the first few. Here we go. I really like these first ones. They're really the most fun, honestly, especially when they get into the Casudio, or Casut, I don't know how to say it. Yeah, those are probably some of the more interesting idea sets that I have yet to build, and this is one of them. I'm looking forward to it. Definitely gonna go nicely with my Voltron, and really looking forward to displaying it with that. With that, I'm sure you know how the buttons work down there by now, so click them as you please. Let's get into the speed build. Here we go.